Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the good news video for all Dogecoin holders. First of all, my friends, please, I request everyone, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. My friends, in this video, I'm talking about the Dogecoin currently price and the price changes of coin the Dogecoin. In this video, I will show you, my friends. But now the current situation of Dogecoin is very good. I like the current situation of the Dogecoin because the latest last 1 hour, last 1 day price changes of the Dogecoin is going positive. You can see here, my friends, last 1 hour, last 1 day changes is positive, and the currently price of the Dogecoin is 0.23336 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. Furthermore, my friends, let me show you the price chart. From the price chart, you can easily understand the pump of the Dogecoin. And my friends, that is just the beginning. That is just the beginning. The huge pump of the Dogecoin are coming soon, so be ready and be active because we are going to the moon, my friends. Dogecoin holders, so we are going to the moon. Congratulations! You can see from this price chart, everybody can understand that we are going to the moon. That's clear, my friends. That's a quick jump. And you know what, my friends? My prediction about Dogecoin is also that they will take a huge pump in the June, and maybe there is a possibility to take a pump in the last of June. Maybe, my friends. Anyways, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos.